Hello viewers, today I am going to present question and answer for business and communication chapter 1. As usual, the question type is multiple type of question, so the direction is choose the best answer. And then the first question is 1. What is the Latin word of the term communication? A. Communica. B. Communius. C. Communitas. D. Communico. The answer for this question is choice B. Communius. Choice B. Communius. Question number 2. Who defined communication as the process of sending and receiving message? A. Hamilton and Parker. B. Bove and Dale. C. Winberg and Wilmot. D. Gerald and Miller. The answer for this question is B. Bove and Dale. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a characteristic of communication according to Gerald Miller? A. Dynamism. B. Linear. C. Transactional. D. Uniqueness. Both dynamism, transactional, and uniqueness are the characteristics of communication according to this individual. So the answer is choice B, linear. Question number 4. Why is shared meaning essential in communication? A. It ensures symbols are received quickly. B. It avoids misunderstanding and ensures common understanding. C. It minimizes the effort in message preparation. D. It focuses only on nonverbal communication. Question number 4 is B. The answer is B. It avoids misunderstanding and ensures common understanding. Is the answer. Question number 5. Which statement best explain why communication is dynamic? A. Messages are encoded and decoded continuously. B. It involves and changes due to external factors. C. Symbols remain static but meanings vary. D. It focuses on reciprocal relationship between sender and receiver. The answer for question number 5 is B. It involves and changes due to external factors. Question number 6. How can manager ensure effective communication in planning activities? A. Assign tasks directly without feedback. B. Use symbols understood by specific teams. C. Encourage interactive dialogue to clarify shared objective. D. Communicate solely through written memos. The answer for question number 6 is C. Encouraging interactive dialogue to clarify shared objectives. Question number 7. If employees from diverse cultures face communication challenges, what is the best approach? A. Implement language training program. B. Limit communication to written format. C. Create standardized message template for all communication. D. Rely solely on visual communication tools. The answer for question number 7 is A. Implement language training program. Question number 8. Analyze how division of labor impact the evolution of communication forms. A. Division of labor reduce the need of communication. B. It demands clearer system for idea exchange due to a specialized role. C. It shifts focus from symbolic to direct communication. D. Communication become redundant with technological advance. The answer for question number 8 is B. It demands clearer system for idea exchange due to specialized role. Question number 9. Which characteristics of communication explain why it involves multiple meaning for the same symbol? C. Shared meaning. A. Shared meaning. B. Symbolism. C. Uniqueness. D. Dynamism. The answer for question number 9 is B. Symbolism. Question number 10. Evaluate the statement. Communication is simply the transfer of idea from one person to another. Choice A. It is partially correct as it ignored the need for sharing understanding. B. It is entirely correct and adequate. C. It oversimplifies the dynamic nature of communication process. D. Both A and B. When we evaluate, communication is simply the transfer of idea from one person to another. First, it is partially correct. Actually, it ignores but the shared understanding, and it oversimplifies the dynamic nature of communication process. So the answer is choice D, both A and C. Question number 11. Which metric would best evaluate the effectiveness of communication in an organization? A. Speed of message delivery. B. Employee clarity and engagement level. C. Number of meetings held per month. D. Ratio of verbal to written message. The answer for question number 11 is B. Employee clarity and engagement level. Question number 12. What is the first step in creating a communication model for a new business setup? A. Identify the audience and their communication needs. B. Draft multiple messages for quick implementation. C. Invest in advanced communication tools. D. Focus on management only messaging channels. The answer for question number 12 is A. Identify the audience and their communication needs. Question number 13. You are tasked to develop a team training session on effective communication. What should you focus on first? A. Teach body language technique. B. Assess the current communication challenge of the team. C. Train the team on encoding message. D. Avoid interpersonal discussion and focus on writing skill. The answer for this question is B. Assess the current communication challenge of the team. Question number 14. What strategies would best synthesize effective cross-cultural communication in a global organization? A. Limit interaction to managers for clarity. B. Regularly train employees on cultural sensitivity and listening. C. avoid assigning collaboration work across culture. D. Focus solely on written directives. The answer for this question is B. Regularly train employees on cultural sensitivity and listening. Question number 15. Which tool would you create to bridge communication gap in a remote work environment? A. Digital whiteboard for collaboration. B. Regular email only updates. C. Time zone independent notification system. Time zone independent notification system. D. Both A and C. The answer for this question is D. Both A and C. To create a bridge in communication gap in a remote environment, first, digitalize time board for collaboration and time zone independent notification system. So the answer is D. Question number 16. How does communication affect human interaction in a professional setting? A. It creates boundaries in relationships. B. It establishes communication for asking success and teamwork. C. It isolates idea within specialized role. D. It reduces reliance on collaborative tools. The answer for this question is B. It establishes connections for task success and teamwork. Question number 17. When managing a new project, how can communication effectively align team goal? A. Assign goal without elaborating on rationale. B. Encourage team discussion and offer feedback. C. Avoid recurring discussion to save time. D. Limit communication to written channel. The answer for this question is B. Encourage team discussions and offer feedback. Question number 18. What would you do to improve communication flow in a hierarchical organization? A. Direct all communication through top management. B. Foster open communication channel at all levels. C. Create message system for vertical communication only. D. Simplify message by eliminating feedback loops. The answer for this question is B. Foster open communication channel at all levels. Question number 19. If employee misunderstands the core goal of a task, what is the probable cause? A. Ineffective encoding and feedback system. B. Absence of shared goals among management. C. Use of outdated communication tools. D. Over reliance on verbal symbols. The answer for this question is A. Ineffective encoding and feedback system. Question number 20. Which practice ensure organizational communication align with its goal? A. Align all messages with organization's vision and values. B. Avoid providing detailed contextual information. C. Reduce communication to technical jargon. D. Focus on individual goal over organizational coherence. The answer for this question is A. Align all message with the organization's vision and values. This is all about Chapter 1. Viewers, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for attending this question and answer program.